Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and today I'm so excited to partner with Woodpeckers Crafts to bring you a fall-inspired tiered trinket tray using their wooden candlesticks and round cradled canvas set of 3. The first step is to paint 2 coats of your favorite fall color to candlesticks and trays. Let them dry, then take a fall-inspired napkin and cut out cute vignettes. I chose a sweet pumpkin theme. One at a time, carefully decoupage the cutout napkin vignettes to the inside of the tray. Then cover the entire inside with 1 layer of decoupage. Set it aside to dry. For some added glam, apply 1 coat of gold paint to the edges of the tray. Once dry, turn the tray over and use permanent craft wood glue to attach the candlesticks directly to the bottom of the tray. Then display your favorite fall decor and enjoy this season. Until next time, happy crafting!